cornbread just came out. Look at this chicken, y'all. That chicken is good and fried right there. I got my hot sauce right there. Y'all thought this was a game. All right, nice and cheesy. Look at the chicken. This is the chicken fried right now.
Leave the motor running. Why you always talking like you know something? Why you always talking, going show 'em something? No stunt double, I do my own stunt. Could take a year, I'll still have that paper coming. Put like 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. All in the club, we don't do no.
What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are here in Bloomfield, New Jersey, but I mean, like, we're only a couple inches from Newark, New Jersey, and we're about to go over to this restaurant called the Juke Joint Soul House. Natasha Owens, her name's here. Thanks, Natasha. Suggested this spot, and we're gonna go in there. I think I know what I want, but I don't know. I want to go in there and get some chicken, y'all. Some fried chicken. I haven't had fried chicken in a while, and I saw some pictures of some delicious looking fried chicken, but they may have some different things, you know, some different options. Okay, so we're gonna walk across the street and go check out the Juke Joint Soul House. Let's go. Let's go check it out. Come on, y'all, let's go check it out. They got two doors there. That door right there says, do not enter, for the staff only. There it is, y'all. It's look jazzy. They got a nice little seating area outside. Check it out. It's early too, y'all. They probably just opened. It is like 12:30. We gonna go in. Let's go in. Oh wow, they got tables here, some trees. Wait to be seated, man. Check this out, y'all.
See them stealing my moves, hear them jacking my lyrics. But Chris can never dance like Mike, and Floyd can never hit.
So, I mean, you the manager?
No, well.
She's what? She running things. I know she running things, y'all.
Things on everybody's out, yeah.
So I'm gonna get I know I'm gonna get the chicken wings, fried chicken wings.
Okay.
And
The sides are at the bottom.
the sides, I'm gonna get the greens. You got the greens and collards mixed.
Yeah, the mixed greens.
I get the mixed greens. And ooh, should I do potato salad or mac and cheese? I saw a picture of your mac and cheese online.
I prefer mac and cheese.
Over the potato salad, is it cheesy? Because the picture didn't give it any glory.
Well, it just came out the oven, so you're getting fresh.
Ooh, she said it just came out the oven, y'all. All right, let's do that. Oh wow. Look at this, y'all. They done doing some yams too. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Oh, what you say?
It's on us.
Hold up, we got sponsorship, y'all. We got thank you so much.
Welcome. Would you want any sauce?
They're gonna be like, yo, she gave y'all the food, so we know it's good. Oh, you got hot sauce? Oh yeah, yeah, please, yep. Yep. So look at this chicken, y'all. That chicken is good and fried right there. Look at this, man. Look at this, look at this. Y'all see what I got too? I got my hot sauce right there. Y'all thought this was a game. We're here at Juke Joint Soul House here. I thought this was Newark, y'all, but this is actually Bloomfield, New Jersey. We will put the address up right there. And she's gonna bug out. Oh, there it is. I started saying I don't have a fork. There's my fork right there, man. Let's go into this. First thing, I'm gonna just jump around. I'm gonna jump around this macaroni and cheese first, you know, because you gotta eat macaroni and cheese while it's hot. So let's check it out. All right, let's pull this mac up. That's the mac and cheese right there, y'all. Check it out, check it out. All right, let's pull that, let's pull that. Look at that mac and cheese. All right, nice and cheesy. It passed the nice and cheesy test right there. Ooh, I'm about to drop it, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. Ooh, I got that piece off. Let's check it out, let's check it out. Oh, look at that cheese. Let me twirl that cheese up like that. I like that. Oh, wow. That's some good mac and cheese. It has the right amount of everything. Right amount of cheese. Is nice and cheesy on the bite. The macaroni is done to perfection. And it has pepper and salt on it. I don't need to put any spices. Wow. Okay, I should stop eating the mac and cheese now. It's delicious. But it's good. I'm gonna keep eating it. And look, y'all, I got water today. No sweets. I was gonna get it uptown, but we too close to the hood to get it uptown. I think that sugar just flows right over, man, here into Bloomfield. I got the macaroni and cheese. I got the mixed greens, yams, they threw in the yams too, and fried chicken. The macaroni and cheese is official. I'm going right for the chicken, y'all. Let's go for the chicken. Look at that chicken. Is the chicken fried right or what? Y'all know I like the flats, but I like these. These are nice sized wings too. I don't like them, they call them hen wings. I don't like them when they too fat. Before I put hot sauce on them, I'm gonna just taste it. I gotta taste that batter and see how they frying them. Hold up. Somebody back there got the church recipe. These wings taste like the wings that we used to have at Welcome Baptist Church in the basement over on 12th Avenue. I want to put some hot sauce now. All right, y'all, we going in now. These are good wings. Every time I taste good, some good wings, I'll be like, uh-oh, ambassadors. Chicken wings official. I gotta stop talking for a minute, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. That piece right there. Hold up. I don't like my camera angle. Let's change it like that. Bring it in a little bit, right? Is that better? Yeah, that's a little better. Bring it out. See, now I gotta be the director and the editor and the videographer and the foodie. You know when you get good food, right? It's that certain giddiness, like that happiness that comes across you. I'm feeling that right now. Chicken tastes fresh too, y'all. You gotta eat a piece of that chicken, throw some of this macaroni and cheese in your mouth. Get all them flavors going at once. They know what they're doing in here. And now I have to taste the collard greens and the candied yams.
How's everything? Good?
Everything is so far so good, so delicious. Yep. Do they make?
Huh?
They make the greens in Turkey?
Yes. The cabbage is not though. It's just the collard greens.
Okay.
The cabbage is way on the bottom.
Okay. So turkey necks, turkey necks. Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. It's well seasoned, man, and I taste a hint of sweetness. No, I see a little piece in here too, but I can taste it. It's delicious.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Look. And it tastes, it has that, I love when the greens have that hint of sweetness. I just got a little bit more of the collard greens. I like when they have that sweetness and that oily taste and that nice season. You can tell it was seasoned with smoked meat, man. It was seasoned with the turkey necks. These are really good. These are some good greens. I'm laughing because I need to move on to the yams. But you know how you're eating something good, you're like, wait a minute, we're gonna work on this for a minute.
I want to save some of these greens. I gotta stop eating them, y'all. All right, let's go to the yams. Then I'm gonna come back to eat the other piece of this chicken, and eat another chicken, and then maybe another chicken. But let's taste these yams. The yams are nice and tender. I was able to like mash through them just like butter. You do. Okay, I taste that yam. It's delicious. And also I do like normal good yams. I do taste the butteriness. I taste the nutmeg and the cinnamon. They are good and hot too. Oh wow. These are sweet yams, but I've had yams that were too sweet, at least too sweet for me. Some people may like their yams. If I want them too sweet, I'm gonna eat some sweet potato pie. But look at the texture on them yams. Look like I'm shaking, but I'm not really shaking. All the way around 360 degrees. I would definitely give this meal, I would go high up on the scale, and let's give it a number 9, all right? 9.4. That's an A. Look at that, look at that, look at that right there. Can you see that? This is another hidden gem. I did not know about this spot. You guys saw the menu. These are reasonable prices. The highest thing on here is the fried lobster tail. And that's even reasonable. What I'm gonna do is take this cornbread and I'm gonna dip it in the green juice. I know what I'm doing, yo. We call this sopping. This is your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cats, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. I should have did it like this. I love you, cats, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. I ain't going nowhere. Here we go, y'all. Okay. I got 4 chicken wings. 4 chicken wings. And they're not the biggest chicken wings, but I like my chicken wings this size. I really do. That's what some people say about ambassadors. They say the wing's too small. I like that size. This size is perfect. And the way it's fried is perfect. That's how you eat chicken wings.
It's the Juke Joint Soul House. Y'all know it's rare that I do a video as I'm walking out. My stomach's full, man. I am a happy camper. And, you know, they blessed us with the meal. And someone made a comment, you know, it's hard to judge somebody when they pay for something. Nah, man, they're paying that you be honest, you know, about their food. And that food was a 9.2 all day. It was delicious. And I'm on to the next one, man. I'll see y'all at the next one. Got my little dog friend there, look. That's a big dog, y'all. I don't even know where I parked. That's sad, right? How you doing? See, we're in Bloomfield, but we still in the hood, y'all. That's that easy Jesus. Easy Jesus.